Kumara Satsanga, Kumara Satsanga, Kawairina, Kawairiya, Kumara Satsanga, Kumara Satsanga.
This is the SANAT Kumara of Earth. I welcome you again to the NAMAS University Lecture 108, where I am talking about you. NAMAS stands for learning. NAMAS is about your learning and embodies everyone who calls Earth home in co-creation and acquiring knowledge. The physical body of the Earth, Amaya, is the being that clothes everyone with their physical body, used on the Earth for interactions and learning. This learning is what your souls have chosen as your part of the divine plan. Everyone exists in this one energy that sets forth the plan. Amaya, Mother Earth, is also participating in the divine plan, as her role is to provide you with the tools to co-create the new Earth. Your body receives the vibrations impacting it and transmits the frequencies to your spirit as information and to your soul as energies. The direction of the energy, either uplifting or downshifting, depends on your spirit. You have the power to direct nature and being of the energy of your experiences. This power is the ultimate power of creation and the power of a creator. It is time to bring you, the person in the middle of all things, into the big picture of creation. I am encouraging everyone to realize their role in this school we call Earth or Amaya. You have come here to co-create with the other kingdoms who call Amaya home. Amaya is a light language name that literally means I am the mother who has it all and gives birth to everything. Amaya means joy, peace, and happiness. You Amayans have started on this path of joy, peace, and happiness, though it may not seem so now in 2025 due to the breakdown of the old system, which destroyed your power. In most cases, the individuals agreed or were forced to relinquish their powers. It is time to retrieve your power from every construct that makes you less than the most critical piece in the middle of the puzzle. You are the most important piece on any puzzle board you choose to play on. You are. An Amayan is an intergalactic being who recognizes their power and refuses to give it to or allow another person to control their life or power to play. What does that mean? The institutions crumbling around you are those who took your power away and forced you to do things you would not ordinarily do without duress. They collected your power to choose what you would do joyfully and subjected you to conform against your will. Amayans are struggling to withdraw their participation from the energy system to allow themselves to choose their highest joy in what, when, and how long they enjoy what they do. During this transition and transformation period, the individual, the person, you, has regained your power. Think, how many of the things I do brings me joy? What things make you happy when you feel into them? What things make you anxious? Are there things in your life that make you happy? How many things are present or absent in your life because you are afraid? Freedom is deeply personal, and most survivors of the third dimension do not know what it means to be free. To continue the transformation during this transitioning period, 2025 to 2030, everyone can focus on those questions I posed earlier to deepen the level of their freedom. Only a truly free person can be an Amayan who can co-create with other beings in the galaxy and the universe as equals. Anyone who loses their fears, embodies their choice, and acts on their joyful purpose is an Amayan. Amayans live multidimensional lives and recognize their role as great teachers who will soon host guests from different planets and galaxies. Are you ready for this soul-expanding, joyful engagement? Take the time to know yourself on a deeper level. Every human being on Amaya possesses a divine soul with universes of experiences. When you realize yourself as divine, then your time to co-create begins. The Intergalactic Federation of Light waits for Amayans to recognize that they are God and acknowledge their divine nature, so the mistakes of worshipping off-earth beings does not repeat themselves. All the gods people worshipped were humans from other planets. That is all for today. Your SANAT Kumara. This message was received by Charles Amulata and spoken by him. This brings us to other exciting announcements. Earth's frequency, vibration, and energy have shifted to and through the fifth dimension. And now the Creator offers insights into who the Creator is and how creation works. This book, the SANAT Kumara, Creator and Creation, is accompanied by 19 portals the Creator painted for you to absorb the creation energies of the world intuitively. We are happy to announce a new light language chant in April, the Prosperity Chant. What is the divine plan for creating prosperity and abundance? It is through each of us realizing the full potential of our soul. This new chant by Katharina, co-created with the Cosmic Mother and the Divine Father, prepares your energy system to embody the gifts of your soul on earth and thus enrich yourself and the planet. For more information, please see the link below this podcast. New Light Language Creation. The Prosperity Chant is available at katharinaadari.com/prosperity-chant/. In the text message below this video, you will find a link to the Discord platform. A small purple circle in front of the word Discord, where study groups have been created, where you can find like-minded people to share experiences, discuss and learn, as well as a lot of other useful information. Please join us next week. You must be aware of what is happening now on Earth, in our galaxy, and in space. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your likes and reviews will help more light souls to hear us.
Kumara Satsanga, Kumara Satsanga, Katharina, Niriya, Kumara Satsanga, Kumara Satsanga.